Every great structure begins with a vision, often locked inside flat 2D AutoCAD files and static PDFs. But translating complex designs into constructability requires a higher level of precision. At VBS, a premier US-based BIM outsourcing partner, we bridge that gap. For the Omega Building, a sophisticated commercial project, our team engineered a comprehensive, constructability-ready LOD 400 Revit model. We didn't just model the space, we detailed it for fabrication. From the exact geometry of the double-story office layout to the complex engineering of the structural steel trusses, every single element was modeled with absolute precision. At level of detail 400, no element is left to chance. VBS meticulously mapped out the final exterior cladding, ensuring that aesthetic vision perfectly aligns with structural integrity. By pre-solving design conflicts in the digital space, we eliminate costly errors before a single brick is laid on site. Brought to life and fully coordinated in Navisworks, this model represents a seamless integration of architecture and engineering. This isn't just a 3D visual. This is a fully coordinated, construction-ready model tailor-made to meet the rigorous demands and standards of the U.S. construction market. From raw data to a clash-free reality, VBS delivers the accuracy your projects demand. Partner with VBS and let's build the future precisely